how you got that?
Bredo got that bitch cause of us. On game M's.
Hey, everybody else talking they
talk
shit.
our shit. Hold on. M's. Game, bitch.
I'm with your bitch in the back of the caddy. How that's your hoe, but she calling me daddy. You call her sassy and I call her nasty. Her name is Judy, she suck it like Kathy. Glock on the seat and it came with a dick. I'm too cool for a bitch not to fuck in the whip. Beat that hoe back, now she leave with a limp. Bitch after bitch yelling trick, I'm a pimp. I am a G, you is a loner. Thug on the beat yelling bitch, I'm a stoner. That's that little nigga, we call that the corner. We see him, we running them down just for closure. Don't need a hoe cause they don't entertain me. Play with your bitch, you would think I was gaming. Spot us up, we stay loaded and locked. Bro got a Glock when he shoot perfect aiming.
Used to despise some niggas. No cap, I was tweaking and waiting my turn, but lessons were learned. Them bridges was burned, I was starving in peace. Now the tables I'm turning. It's still free Malik, no, he straight like a perm. Got him Jackson like Usher, I'm watching them burn. Hollows hit, niggas be hoes. He know that he told false claiming them poles. That's not your stick. My jewelry stay froze, we ball like D-Rose. Got blow for the low. Don't think I'm a lit. This 40 stay under me. Get your ass lit up, you think about touching me. It's gon' get ugly, 30 by double G. Pull up, put him in the Russian creek.
Word in the city, you niggas be hoes. Play with the gang, a nigga get blowed. Flipping the knot, we whipping the pot. Shipping it out and then straight out the coast. Watch that skirt out the lot, drive by. Fry me a bitch, Popeye. Sleep me a nigga, knock out. I'ma ride with the gang, blow the block out. Cause I run with some niggas, ain't got shit to lose. See you in the picture, you cropped out. Put your team on a hold, you can't step to no M. Cause this shit like the NBA lockout.
I'ma miss my designer like Tada. Say that it's beef, I'ma flip him like 5 guys. Okay, these niggas can't stop me. Bro in the back like a lawn screen.
Flip me a nigga like Ollie, I'm on my body.
She on the Molly, eating the dish, she be drooling and slobbing.
Leaning my cup with a jolly, she wanna fuck on the Scotty.
Leaning off Ollie, facing the carpet, clock to his back. If he try to move, give him 12 like Stockton.
These niggas be fucking capping. Hey man, we ain't doing none of that shit 2019. You know, we on some straight, run it up, double and shit.